Hello YouTube, I'm here with a vacuum review video. This is my Hoover Windtunnel Lite that I picked up yesterday from my grandparents' house. This is my grandfather's vacuum for a while, and I brought it home as mine. So, and this is a purple vacuum. Don't judge me. And yes, I am very tall and this vacuum is very short. So we'll go ahead and get started. Pardon my voice, but I had a tooth filled today. So let's go ahead and plug the thing in. I have to go in this room to plug it in because there's no outlets out here in the hallway. Yeah. This vacuum is new to me. It ain't been turned on in a while, so we'll see how everything goes. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started.